Man, if I could get F450 lowered like that, wouldn't that look sick? If only I could get it like that. What's up everyone, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. There's heaps of cool stuff just like this. Now what we have here is the ever popular Sen F450 pickup truck. Now it is actually comes brushed, but if you would have seen my previous videos, I've converted this to a 4-stroke nitro 2-cylinder engine. Check out the link, there's a playlist. I'll leave the playlist in the card there if you want to go check it out. But I've had a lot of requests, can I actually hook it up to a trailer? Now I never say never, I always want a challenge. So here we have this awesome HG trailer. Links in the description when I go check this out. This thing is a mammoth. It bit of plastic broken there, but this thing I think weighs about 10 kilos. It's all metal construction. I've actually done a video of this. I'll leave a card up there as well if you want to go check it out. It comes in a kit and you can actually buy it ready-made. I've had it as a kit and built it, done a few videos on it. It's awesome. Like I said, it's pretty much all metal. So some plastic parts here, like this one here that broke off. Obviously the tyres are rubber, like these little accessories are plastic as well, but it's awesome. Has electronics, these fold down and fold back up again, and it actually looks fairly scaled. This is 1/10 scale I think, and I believe this is roughly there 1/12 or whatever, but it looks badass in my opinion. Look at it, it's massive. It actually is huge, and I'm thinking, well, that might be a perfect candidate to try. Well, I need to put a 5th wheel. I don't know, it's called a gooseneck or a 5th wheel, but this is perfect. Look at that. So I'm thinking, well, how am I going to do this? Because I'm thinking, well, I've got some spare, like this is like a Tamiya. What's this called? Is that called the 5th wheel? So I think it's a truck 5th wheel, and I'll see if I can kind of put this on the back there. Kind of, I think it needs to be round about here to give it enough clearance for when it swings so it doesn't hit the back parts of the trailer or the back of the car, so to speak. So I think that'll be pretty cool. Because this trailer actually fits an F450 on there perfectly. If I go here, I've got another body here as well. I've got the silver wheels and the blue body. I think, in my opinion, the blue and silver looks killer as well. But this blue body fits. Look at that. Holds the F450 perfectly. That's a brand new body there. And look how mad that looks. Kind of, I think it looks scale in my opinion. It looks right on the money. So yeah, but the thing is, I don't know, I'm pretty sure I'll be able to pull, but this, like I said, it does weigh about 10 kilos. So it's not light, I think even more. But we'll definitely see. We've taken the old school duct tape off the tyres. I had in my previous video, I had a bit of a drifting video. But yeah, not sure. So this is just going to be a quick video. What do you guys think? Should I actually attempt to do this? Let me know, because otherwise I'll be wasting my time. But I think I'll be able to pull it. When this is down, that suspension is going to be squashed to the shithouse. It's going to have no suspension travel at all, because even put different springs on there, it's not really going to hold that weight, I don't think. Obviously it's 10 kilos lifted off the ground, not 10 kilos at the bore here. But yeah, what do you guys think? Just flip the trailer on its back. You can see the construction here, all metal, really nice construction. This is how Tamiya one should be, but if this was a Tamiya price, you'll be, I think you need to mortgage your home to pay for it. HG makes some awesome value. Now it came off this guy just there, and you can see the back. Sorry, the light's got a tow hitch there. The 5th wheel at the back, that's awesome. Done a video of that as well, go check it out if you want. But as you can see, all metal. Weighs a ton, it's sick. This is where the batteries sit for the electronic parts here, as you can see. Now let me, if I can try to find where that button was again. I think it was here somewhere. There it is here. So it does have a controller as well, like a remote control. So if I just do that again, here we go. How mad is that? There we go. So ready to load up onto there. That'll be one pretty sick sight in my opinion. If that wasn't gas, I'd definitely be able to pull it easy. Brushless have got so much torque. Electric motors have so much torque in general, but look at that. Nice, eh? And it goes back up as well. I knew a lot of the guys would be interested in this trailer. It does have like shackles and all this stuff as well. Really nicely detailed. I do love HG stuff. The HG also make, you know, this six-wheeler here, and also the Hummer, a few other cars as well. But yeah, they're good value for money. Yeah, it's even got these chains and stuff, so you can hook up the trailer for, you know, extra realism and all that kind of cool stuff, which I know a lot of scale guys love. Here we go, we hook them up here, just like that. Yeah, interesting. Alright, first video, what do you guys think? Should I try and put the fifth wheel on? Let me know what you guys think. If I try it, I'll rob this fifth wheel off this plastic piece and see if I can fandingle something up there. Let me know what you guys think, guys. Hope you enjoyed the quick video. Have a good one.